And we have a question that came in. I sort of think along these lines. Can you actually upload an application to the system to get that help? And looking at the questions that have come in, I think maybe what might be in somebody's mind is some other attorney, perhaps overseas, drafted an application. They filed it in Germany, wherever first, and now it's coming to the US. Can you upload that application and get some assistance here to clean that up, to make it more robust, maybe not just file it straight away as a US national filing, but maybe as a continuation in part to continue building on it and that sort of thing? Or maybe you're getting from a somebody overseas, or maybe it's from an associate or patent agent at your own firm, a draft. Can you take their draft and put it in and get that kind of help? Samir, is that something that you guys?
Yeah, yes, that is something that is emerging as one of the use cases for sure, and especially in larger firms that do this at scale, right?
Mhm.
There are these firms who do like 10,000 patent applications over a year, and a lot of it is 9,000 of that is this type of work, right? And definitely, this is something that that we have been supporting. Again, this is not part of the platform per se, like doesn't come standard with the platform, but it is something that we are working on with individual firms or individual corporate clients on these types of requirements, where somebody mentioned stress testing a patent application,
Yep.
right? Like or doing national stage prosecution, or adapting. Now these are some of the things, right? Like so we have a whole suite of tools. Drafting and office action are just one part of it. One of the tools that we have developed is sort of what we call claim concordance, right? So you have patent applications proceeding in multiple geographies, right? Like a large portfolio, and you have
Mhm.
something going on in Europe and something in other parts of the world, Taiwan, whatever, right? You want to make sure your claims are consistent, right? That you are handling the claims consistently. How much are they differing? How far are they swaying from each other? We have a tool, AI-based tool, that does that and does a really great job of that, right? And it points out where your patent families are going. So these types of tools are invaluable, right? Like especially for all of you, you work for very reputed companies, and your clients have international footprint, etc. So this is the type of stuff that's possible to do today, right? IP author, for example, will generate the patent draft for US or for European Patent Office, correct? And it will make sure that your claims are consistent, that the descriptions are different based on the different jurisdictions, etc. So all of this is really a possibility, and you can take the tools that we are providing as building blocks and then adapt it to your law firm's practice or your company's practices.